So hey guys, for the drag car build idea update, I'm going to remove the Rocky Mountain Race Week videos from Nicky Bobby LLC, because those did not help any at all for the overall time I want to run based on what I have posted on my on here in this drag build idea playlist, and then this whole article, and then finally out of all the articles here and all the links that I have for turbos and a bunch of other stuff as well, and calculator and Made America Customs, aka Mac TV's build rundown on the GapTrain S10. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes pages where you get notified when I post in community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.